Hello mga nilalalang, and this is Jensen and welcome to my sister's YouTube channel. It is my turn to collaborate with my sister. Last time you saw our mother preparing some meal, cooking some meal for us. Actually, not for us kasi wala naman ako doon. Yeah, but this time, my sister requested me to do unboxing of the gadgets that I bought myself and show it to you guys. So, ito yung mga ilang Samsung products that I have after my advanced initial training here in the US Army. So, disclaimer lang, although I'm wearing this shirt, this video is not sponsored by the Army or my gadgets are not sponsored by the Army. Wala lang akong ibang damit kasi yung uniform namin lahat ganito. Bawal kami magsuot ng civilian for now. Yeah, until umalis kami dito sa base. Yeah, but so much for the segue. So this time, let's do the unboxing. Yeah, so what we have here first, the Galaxy Book S. Wow! This is the second latest na flagship ng Samsung because meron na sila kailan lang nilabas na Samsung Galaxy Book Flex, if I'm not mistaken. Yan, so yung Flex mas advanced compared dito. Ang nakakainis doon, it came out 2 days after ko in-order to. So it was already on its way, kaya hindi ko na na-cancel. And yeah. So aside from this one, we're also unboxing 3 other gadgets from Samsung. So obviously hindi ako Apple fan. So ang mga gamit ko ay puro Samsung. Ayoko ng Apple. Sa family namin ako lang yung Samsung user. I mean, yeah, whatever. Sa bahay. Pero sa Pilipinas, mga Samsung user sila. Yan. So, I'll show you. So, yan. Bago natin tuluyang buksan, check muna natin to. Ano ba yung inclusion ng box? Yan. Syempre, yung mismong laptop. Yung SIM card for the internet, although it can be connected to Wi-Fi din. So, the charger and USB connector at saka yung manual. Yan. Ang interesting dito, nakikita nyo, it says Windows 10 Home. Yeah, that's the OS. Pero it also says Qualcomm Snapdragon, blah blah blah. So, isa yung bagong feature ng Samsung, yung pinaka system niya, it runs yung processor niya katulad nung sa phone. Hindi na katulad ng mga usual na Core, Intel, or whatever. So, I think it's called ARM or ARM. Yeah, but you'll figure out later. Yeah, so I'll open it. So here we go. Buksan na natin. Medyo ano lang. Ching! Ang bubungad sa atin ay yung cover. Cover ng laptop. Dalawang kamay gamit ko. So, wait natin. Grab it from this side. Sa side ko ba siya grab? Dahil wala akong kuko. Tutumba ko na lang. Here we go. This one. Tinumba ko talaga siya. So meron siya, I forgot what you call this cover. Pero protector. Para hindi maggasgasan. Yan. So before that lang, I'll show you this. This is the charger. Gamit mo isang kamay box. You paid for it anyway. So, gamitin mo? Yes. And this is the wire. Ingatan. Lagi tayo mga Pinoy. I-recycle natin and gagamitin natin ulit. So, later. I'll show you later. This is the handbook, the manual. Check natin. Hindi kami professional
vloggers.
Also, this one,
natin yung
you can see this is
converter.
and here's the laptop. Kasi ang Samsung laptop ngayon ay hindi na yung
typical
usual
Samsung
USB
laptop.
2. See it? Usually, nakita nyo dito siya usual na USB 2. Hindi you have to convert it to Type-C.
Nandito kapag nakaharap sa atin.
If I'm not mistaken.
So, the first test is kung ma-open siya with one hand. Hindi. Hindi siya nag-open ng one hand. Hindi yung unang test na ginagawa natin. Pero since hindi. Hindi siya nag-respond. Kailangan ko yung saksak.
So, starting here, you see connector for charger and USB. Sa kabilang side, another USB port. And this one, the power button itself is a sensor for fingerprint. So you have this. Trackpad, keypad, and the touch screen. Maganda yung edges niya, slim edges. So let's try this. I'm not sure kung kailangan ko i-charge before ko gamitin. But here we go. So, I found out, hindi pala charger yun, kundi itong bilog kanina dito, hindi siya charger, kundi earphone. Kasi ang charger natin ay naka-USB na rin. Hindi siya mukhang practical. Dahil gagamitin mo yung USB port, tapos lalagay mo rin yung charger. Paano kung kailangan mo ng dalawang USB?
There you go. After some initial setup, yun na siya, nag-loading na. And
see.
you can see the screen, how wide it is.
Upon plugging it in, ito agad yun
Yun yung maganda kasi dama mo yung screen. Unlike yung previous
Level
model,
ng charge.
parang isang inch yung lapad ng gilid
Try to switch it on.
na hindi mo na masulit yung screen. Yeah, but this time, so slim.
Yeah. Also the keyboard, the US standard
Since
format.
first time niya buksan, medyo
And yung
matagal
mga
siguro.
indicator, light indicators nasa mismo
Okay
keyboard,
lang.
like caps lock, the function keys. And
So, I'll pause this and
Yeah,
we'll
so
just
yun
show
yung
you
mga
what will happen.
additional features. Okay. This is a 13.5, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 13.5 inches. So if you have the 15.5, which is obviously mas malaki dito, so you'll also have the alphanumeric keypads here. Keypad, I mean, and
So,
same
here's the initial setup.
So, maganda. At least yung, yeah, walang ganang delay. And also, it's touchscreen.
Maganda yung trackpad
Yeah, so
niya.
you can pretty much do whatever you
Sensitive
want.
naman.
So,
So,
I'll do setup.
I'll skip this part. I think you know
And I'll
naman
show you my
how
next
to
Hi there,
gadget.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
So, there you go. Somehow, nagawa ko na initial setup for this. And I'll do it again later. Kasi mayroon ako mga specifications na gusto ko. Yeah, but we're going now to this guy. Samsung Galaxy Tabs S6. So, I think this is the latest Samsung tablet. Ang maganda dito sa tablet na to, aside from this one, you can see the S Pen in the picture. Yeah. Na-mention ko kanina, balikan ko lang yung laptop. Na-mention ko kanina yung Samsung Flex na laptop. It has the S Pen, but for this one, it doesn't have it. So, tingnan nyo lang yung monitor. It's so manipis. I mean, the LCD. And it follows the edge. So, it is not convertible to laptop. To tablet. Yeah, but this one, the tablet itself. So, let's check kung anong meron dito. Yeah, inclusion, the package contains the tablet itself, the S Pen, the charger, the manual, and the terms and condition. And it is powered by T-Mobile. So it has its own SIM then. My laptop, it has Sprint, but I'm still not familiar how to use it. Here's the laptop. This one for tablet, I just need to activate it sa T-Mobile. And so, the Android as operating system is secured by Knox. And what else? Yeah, it's from Vietnam. Wow. So this one, it says reproductive harm. It's because sa law ng California may mga gamits, may mga raw product or
Ang wearing earphone kasi hindi naman nakaharap tayo
regulated
sa
by California.
Pero pag sa other states,
dito lang
hindi ako kasi malayo yung mic.
So let's open the box.
Cover na lang ako siyang wari.
So you see it?
Open the box.
It's also in
Again,
cover. Single-handedly open it.
here it is. Tablet itself.
Yeah, but before that, gaya kanina, let's proceed. Inspect natin kung anong meron sa laptop as a box. So you see, SIM card. Yeah. The charger, which is pwede naman natin gamitin yung isa. Hindi pala. No. It has the usual USB 2. Fast charger. This one. Cable wire. I'm keeping the box. The micro SIM or SD ang labas, whatever. And the manual. And ito para lang to sa sa S Pen. And hindi ko na siya tatanggalin dito. No, tatanggalin ko pala. Pang finger lang siya. Okay, so check natin. I have the box here. Check natin yung tray ng itlog kasi yun yung nakaka-enjoy. Meron din siya. Kita niyo. All the way to. Kasi para kung kailangan yung palitan yung pinaka-point ng S Pen, you can do it here. See? Try natin kung mag-work siya dito. Will this work here? Ito, hindi. Yeah. This is not designed for S Pen. Tingnan natin yung edges. Sa likod, this is where you put the S Pen. See? Ima-match nyo lang siya. Yan, matchy-matchy dito sa kabila. Kung siya siyang mag-snap. See sa likod, we have the cameras. Yan, so nakakaghan lang sa buhay. Also, galing natin sa cover. Dahan-dahan. Dahil anong mangyari. Pang-attach ang maganda sa tablet na to, you can convert it to laptop. Kailangan mo lang bumili ng 170 bucks worth of keyboard. Or since I have my laptop, gusto ko lang naman talaga to tablet. Tok-tok niya, speaker lang din. Kung ayusin natin focus, diba? Speaker lang din. And mic. Yung tuldok dyan, yan yung mic. And random agad. This is the charger connector or USB. Speaker and speaker. So, I'll do it. I-open natin. Kakabit lang natin yung SIM para kapag umopen na siya, we can activate it later. Mahirap. Dahil isang kamay lang gamit ko. I'll pause this. I'll show you later. Okay, so after struggling, yun na. Dito mo ilalagay yung SIM card and yung micro SD. Yan, SIM card sa likod. Micro SD sa tuktok. Yan, I'll do it. There you go. For SIM card, micro SD yung nilagay na, ay, nano SIM card pala ang nilagay natin. And we're opening it. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. Secured by Knox. Later, I will connect my phone to my tablet, to my laptop, to my, what do you call it? Active Watch and buds. You hear that? T-Mobile.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Okay, so we'll skip that. I'll set it up.